There.
It's video?
Now it's video.
Okay. Show them.
All right.
Shut the door.
Low fuel. Empty.
No fuel pressure. The car is attempting to start. Okay, no more. Okay, add fuel. Adding about 2 to 3 gallons of fuel. That should be enough fuel. Okay, now we're going to attempt to start the vehicle again. Cycle the key a bunch of times. Shut the door. Oh, right there. Look at that. We got fuel pressure on our gauge. Start the car. Remarkable how the car runs with fuel.